Hi everyone, here is a quick video on how to change the gas struts on the tailgate or the boot lid or the dicky, whatever you call it, on the Hyundai i20. You can see that the stock struts have gone weak and the lid falls down under its own weight. Replacing them is very simple. Use a flat blade screwdriver to undo the clip on both ends of the strut and pull the strut out. Clean the ball joints to remove any dirt or grime. This is a replacement strut from Gabriel. The Hyundai Mobis OE strut costs upwards of rupees 2000 per unit, so we decided to go with the OE replacement. Observe the ends of the strut properly and attach them to the ball joints. The fatter end or the cylinder end should be on the body and the slimmer end or the rod end on the lid. Repeat the procedure for the other side as well. While replacing the unit, replace them on both sides at a time. A quick test to confirm that the new struts are able to hold the tailgate in place.
Nice. Sure.
That would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.